We're on a
Birthday
trip. Okay. Where's our main boy? Rio, welcome. Rio is busy exploring. Yes. Hi. Okay, what do we have here? There's a hammock. Wow. And we have little shoe cabinets.
Goodies.
Yes.
You guys might be wondering how Rio's leash is already inside. Maybe we entered before.
Yes.
Maybe we didn't. Who knows? Maybe the owner left it for us. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh, let's go see the kitchen. Wow, coffee, my language is being spoken here.
That's such a beautiful color.
I know. Forest green and the forest vibe, I love it.
And this is our cute dining space. And Rio doing something there.
Okay.
Rio, come. Yeah. Okay. We have a cute couch here. Rio approves. Oh, okay. That was really good. Now the space looks really bright. I think
Be careful that you might hit your toe here, it's very sharp.
okay.
And also be careful of him.
Oh. How do we open this?
Push
Pull
it
it
down.
down.
Push it down. No. Open first you turn this.
No, I'm worried about him.
He'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's
And this is the outside balcony. Look at that.
wow.
I want to show you guys the bottom. Rio. Okay, come on inside. Come on inside. Good boy. Yeah. Yes, my baby. Huh? Oh. Come on, let's finish the tour.
Enrique!
Rio, come on. Okay. Show us.
Oh, here's the barbecue.
Look at him. You like it? Okay, you approve. Okay. We go out and we have the barbecue here.
There's two there. This one is very dirty.
Look at Rio. So cute, isn't it?
He's found a spot for
Yeah.
himself. He loves being cozy.
Okay.
And he
Okay,
also
show
likes
us.
to
Playtime, I guess. And this is something. I think kind of like a storage.
Something is connected to a sensor.
Okay. Please do not touch. Okay.
It says do not touch. Don't touch it.
This is the washroom.
The most coziest space. It's so warm and nice, so woody, so relaxing, so sexy. Oh, the best part of the house. Laundry. In sweet laundry. Guys, let's
What is he eating?
drop it. Drop it.
Ate it. Okay. Okay, Rio. Let's go explore up. Come on, take us. Take us. Come. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Look at him, he's so happy. Yeah.
He's like,
What's there?
I want a house like this.
Oh, that's our car, guys. Wow. That is beautiful.
IKEA.
Everything is from IKEA.
Yeah. Oh, they gave a charging cable.
Oh, That's nice.
That's so cute.
Wow! I really need that. It also has a plug point. It's from IKEA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. But IKEA is the
Oh, they don't have a closet. Okay. Okay. You wanna go down? Okay, show us the next room. Okay, this room it is. Wow, look at this, guys. Yes. It's like a shelf kind of thing happening here. And then we have a chair here. And this is a sauna. Private sauna. And here you can look at us. A beautiful painting, air conditioner, some yoga stuff. And this is something, guys. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I wanna take a wide shot. Look at that beauty. And then we tried to open. Ooh, opened.
This is actually a yoga room.
Rio, be careful. Oh, wow. Look at that. How deep is that? And also, guys, it's snowing. I don't think you can see it, but it's also snowing. I can see some mountain in between, but wow. Our little balcony downstairs. What was that sound? Okay. What is that?
Carbon monoxide alarm.
Okay. And then we have the master bathroom, washroom. Kind of situation happening. So beautiful. And we have some robes. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's very. Oh, Costco stuff.
It's all Costco and IKEA. I love it.
And can you guys guess what's behind this door? Okay, let's open. I think this is Rio's favorite room. This is a movie room,
It's a lounging room actually.
lounging room. You
You
can
can read, you can chill, you can watch a movie. It has a projector. Very nice.
very nice. And there's a small window here. Same view. And that's the projector screen that they have set up. There's a guitar. Yeah. And we started our projector. Let's see how that goes. Screen mirroring, YouTube. He's still exploring. I'm a little explorer. And I think I didn't show you guys the balcony. We have a balcony here. Oh, can you see the snow? This is the front of the cabin. Beautiful.
Oh, it's small.
Yeah. And this is the bedroom. The bedroom also has access to the balcony.